Hi, my name's Adrienne and I make What's for Dinner videos. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, and welcome. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button to become part of my YouTube family. If you need some motivation and dinner ideas, I got you covered. Today, I am taking part in an open collab hosted by Sarah. At Sarah's Realm, I will have her channel and the playlist linked down below in my description box. She had this awesome idea. She always comes up with like the best collab ideas to recipe swap. So she paired up a whole bunch of us ladies here on YouTube, and I was lucky enough to get Jess from Jess and the Boys, and she sent me some awesome recipes, starting out with this orange cashew chicken. We love Asian food in our house. Well, my husband and I love Asian food, and my kids are really picky and they don't eat anything, so we joke about what my kids won't eat, hence the name of this channel. I will have her recipe linked down below. It had a whole bunch of delicious ingredients, a little bit of sweet and savory, and it was really easy to put together, and it was baked in my oven for about 35 minutes, and then alongside it I served it with a bed of white rice, and this was absolutely delicious, and I will have the recipe linked down below. The next recipe Jess gave me were her grandma's Butterscotch Blondie bars, and you have to stop what you're doing right now, get the ingredients for these, and make them immediately because these were absolutely delicious. I can't tell you how good these were, and even my picky daughter, my Claire Elizabeth, thought these were amazing. So Jess, thank you. She devoured them, and she even let me take a little video of her that you'll see later. So in these Blondie bars, you've got delicious ingredients like butter, brown sugar, eggs, flour, a whole package of butterscotch chips, and some chopped pecans. And I put it in my oven and baked it for about 40 minutes. It took quite a while, and these turned out absolutely divine. I can't wait to make these again. I can't wait to share them with my family. So Jess, thank you so much. These were awesome. So Claire, what do you think?
That's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's from Jess. Say thank you, Jess.
I don't know who that is, but thank you.
My last recipe from Jess is her red beans and wild rice soup, and I am using ingredients that I had on hand. Not everything is exact to her ingredients, but I will definitely have her channel and the video and the recipe linked in my description box below. Instead of jalapeno sausage, I'm using andouille sausage, and instead of onion powder, I am chopping up an onion I wanted to use. And I have to say, when I was toasting all the spices in the butter and olive oil, oh my gosh, my house smelled so amazing. And it's like one of those things where you know your neighbors are totally jealous and like, what is she cooking? That's how good it smelled. And this was really easy to put together. I loved all the ingredients. I'm a really big fan of wild rice. And even my picky son was like, Mom, what is that? That smells pretty good. So maybe when this is done cooking in about an hour, I can get him to try a little bit. Here's hoping, because that would be awesome. And I want to say thank you again to Sarah for hosting this collab, and thank you to Jess for these recipes. We really enjoyed them. And I just want to say that I am so grateful for this community on YouTube. I have found so many lovely ladies that share the joy of cooking like I do, and I hope that you will check out the playlist below, and I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you in my next one.